Hey guys, so today I'm using the Neutrogena Blackhead Eliminating Scrubs. Okay, so I was just focusing my camera, so sorry for that. I'm applying the scrub all over my face, especially on my nose. That's where I've got so many blackheads. And then I'm gonna gently massage to eliminate my dirt, blackhead, and whatever is there in my skin. Then, after I cleaned my face, spraying the Estrella Professional Intensive Fresher Toner. This is for all skin type to balance the pH level and also to keep it hydrated. I'm using the Premium Rose Face Serum by Sana instead of moisturizer. Never used this before, but I really like the way it gives shine to my face as I have a sensitive skin. But on the packaging, it says that it is known as anti-inflammatory and also protects the skin from early signs of aging, so definitely recommended. Then taking the Bobbi Brown bronzer in the shade brown as a transition color. Well, as you know guys, I'm so obsessed with this bronzer. I have used this in every videos. We'll definitely try to buy another one so that I can get rid of this one. Using the shade Lucky Penny eyeshadow by Sephora for the base. It's slightly a bronzy shade, but it looks beautiful and gives a very subtle eye look. If you want to try it for a daytime look, definitely go for this one. So, applying my England Golden glitter onto my lid. Actually, it doesn't have too much of glitter in it, just few glitter particles as I'm not doing a heavy eye look. So guys, I think I can deal with this one for now. I'm using the Age Divine Dark Circle Eraser in the shade Light by the Maybelline. Currently, it's on my favorite list. It's super brightening concealer. I am totally obsessed with this one. I forgot to mention my lashes. I've applied the Ardell Glamour Lashes 113 just for a glamorous eye look. Yes, they are just so gorgeous. So for the foundation, I'm taking the L'Oreal Paris True Match Foundation in the shade W4. Yes, it is super blendable, but not so easy to apply. I have to apply with my finger. Would love if it had the pump. It will be more easier for me to apply, but that's okay. I really love the coverage. It covers all my blemishes, pores, everything. I love this one so much. Yes, I'm looking for my beauty sponge actually. Okay, to set my foundation so that there will be no extra line. So for the highlighter, I'm using the two different shades and two different brands. For my nose, on my cupid's bow, on my tear dot, on my chin, blah blah blah, whatever. And yes, highlighting with the MAC Studio eyeshadow. It has a very beautiful shade. Using Bobbi Brown bronzer. Yes, again, I love this one no matter what. I am so in love with this. Then using the Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow Wine. It's a beautiful shade, not too heavy and not too light. Using the Makeup Revolution highlighter Pro Illuminate in the shade Champagne on my cheekbones, also on the temple of my forehead, so that I can glow all day long. So this is the shade Ruby Boo. Ruby Boo. Sorry guys, Ruby Zoo by MAC. It's so stunning, red hot color. I love this color, and yes, I'm done. So this is the easy summer glam look.
I hope you enjoy watching all my videos. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also give it a thumbs up. Bye guys, love you.